Our school earned the National Blue Ribbon Award because we are hardworking, our students and staff bring their best to school and strive to do their best each and every day. We are helpful to others and have a community of service, and we have incredible support from our families.
I think our school is good because we get to do a lot of fun stuff, and we are one of the only schools that speaks Spanish.
Hi everyone, I am Maddie. And I'm Sophie. Welcome to Sonia Sotomayor. Something different about our school is that we learn and we talk in Spanish. And something special about our school is we are very determined on our learning. We also won the blue ribbon, which is amazing.
What I love about our school is basically sums it up with our logo, the wolves. Wolves are always stronger when they're in a pack, and that's how I feel we are. We are a pack, a team, hence one pack.
I love our school because we have great teachers and the school is really beautiful.
I love our school because each staff member goes above and beyond to create an exceptional learning environment for all of our students. Every employee cares about the all-around well-being of every child here. I also love that our students are exposed to a variety of cultures and have the opportunity to meet people from different parts of the world.
Our school is fabulous because we can learn to speak Spanish, and it's very special to all the kids that are here.
I love our school because we get to speak in Spanish and not everybody gets to do that.
Our school is a National Blue Ribbon school because it takes a village, and at Sonia Sotomayor, our village has one strong and healthy heartbeat.
I love our school because we have an awesome principal, awesome teachers, and I love that we get to speak different languages.
I think our school is special because of the dedication that I've seen for so many years. When the school started in 2008, there were just parents wanting the school so badly to start, and you could see the hours and hours of time that went into the one class, and that grew to a program which eventually grew to this wonderful school of 600 students.
El lenguaje hace a nuestro colegio especial.
Language makes our school very special.
Español es una parte de la comunidad.
Spanish is part of our community.
Y ahora somos una familia.
And now we are family.
This school is really big, that's what I love about it, and also we do fun activities.
My school is great because a lot of kids have opportunities to learn about different cultures, and learning Spanish is a great opportunity for little kids, especially for jobs in their future. Another great thing about our school is like the people and the staff. They try their best to help us understand stuff.
Huge priority for my wife and I is to raise global citizens, and having the opportunity for our children to come to a program like this just is priceless. We love the teachers, we love the interns, we love that the multicultural aspect of what our kids are receiving here is just, it's really special.
I think our school is very special for different reasons, but one of them is that in our community we are exposed to different countries and cultures, and I feel that every time that a student has the opportunity to have a teacher from another country, they also have the opportunity to know another culture and know their traditions. So students are exposed not only to our language, but also to the way that we see the world. And I feel that that promotes a sense of global citizenship in our students and in our community.
My favorite is that I like the school and make new friends and be nice and be kind and do everything very good and never give up.
I love my school because we do a lot of fun activities, and our school likes to party and have school parties, and we do a lot of art in the art room, and we have a really fun playground, and our teachers are really nice, and just everybody's nice here.
We are a National Blue Ribbon school because of some of the systems we have in place, one of those being collaboration. It's a non-negotiable. We get together with our admin team, instructional coach, and grade level teams to make decisions based on data for kids. We always try to do what's best for kids.
Our school is a Blue Ribbon school because we have staff who truly care about their kids.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola. I think our school is great because we think every student is unique.
And we also give them the opportunity to learn Spanish.
¿Sí? Yes. Sí.
I love our school because every teacher is great to the students and we're like a big family.
Yo amo a mi escuela porque hay personas fantásticas de diferentes culturas con las cuales puedo compartir y también aprender de ellas. También amo a mi escuela por todos y cada uno de mis estudiantes porque todos son increíbles.
We love our school because it gives the opportunity of learning and experience different cultures.
Our school is a National Blue Ribbon School because we're one pack.
The coexistence of these cultures promotes the personal development of students and staff.
I like my school because we get to do parties and our teachers are really nice and we get to learn Spanish and that's what we really do, and Spanish is a really good language.
The entire staff work together every day to create a warm environment for students.
Our school is great because all the teachers are really caring for their students.
Good learning can only be achieved by working as a team.
We earn the blue ribbon because our teachers are strong and we are one pack and we are a family.
Sonia Sotomayor is special to me because of the richness of the cultures, the heart and the passion of our teachers, and the wonderful families.
I love our school because they protect us and they take care of us, and we also get to learn a lot of Spanish.
Our school is great because we get to learn a new language and we are one family and we are a pack.
I love our school because of the strong relationships that are built and strengthened each day. These relationships between students, staff, and families go beyond academics and elementary school.
I love the school because the teachers are nice and they protect us, and the gym teacher is really nice too.
What makes our school great? It's everyone who walks through the doors every single day. But I gotta tell you, just look at this photo. Our kids make this place the best place ever.
Mi escuela es especial porque hay interns de otros países.
I love our school because as the years go by, I remember my former students and they remember me, proving that we build strong relationships no matter what year they're gone. And that's kind of sweet and cool.
I love our school because we have nice teachers.
Our school is special because we are like a huge family and our kids feel loved and taken care of all the time.
Amo nuestra escuela porque aquí se valoran y se respetan otras culturas.
What makes our school special is all the people. It's the people who show up every day and just do the grind every day. I think the kids sense that and then they internalize it, and it's hard work and we do it.
I love this school because we have the best teachers.
We are a blue ribbon school because our kids are creative.
So I think that's something that makes Sonia unique and a special place. It's like in here, everybody belongs. All the teachers in this place are from different countries and we have different cultures that we get to share with the students. And one of the best things is like when I'm here, I get to be myself. I get to speak my language and I get to teach my culture. And for someone that was raised 5,000 miles away, that is something great.
I love our school because we are full of culture.
How our school got a blue ribbon is our staff are amazing, caring, and hardworking. Go Lobos!
Hola! We love our school because it's fun, unique, inclusive, culturally diverse, and
because we have the most powerful weapons to change the world.
Love
and education.
We love Sonia Sotomayor.
Our school is amazing because everybody cares for each other. Let's go Lobos! Ow!
Right now.
Hi, I'm Heather Anderson, and I would like to welcome you to our school's celebration of our National Blue Ribbon Award.
right, we need you to hold your applause till they all arrive. They know that you are excited that they're here, but we're running a little behind schedule, so let's hold our applause until we get them all in here, okay? Okay.
Mark Murren and Nan Baker. Our superintendent, Dr. James Staven, Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Hennigan, Assistant Superintendents Dr. Jamie Knoll and Dr. Teresa Boyson, Todd Ian Conrad, Director of the South Dakota Administration Association, Rob Hansen, Becky Norman, Dag Morrison, Rebecca Wimmer, Dr. Pam Coleman, Boomer, and Brandon. Now, please rise and put your right hand over your heart as Edison Middle School students Barnabas Megadu, Lee Henderson, Nate Hurst, all agree to sing the national anthem under the leadership of Ms. Amber.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air. It proved through our nights that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Kate Stern Method, the Sioux Falls School Board's longest-serving board member. She was elected in 2009. She is a huge advocate for kids and the Spanish immersion program. Her son Bobby was a student here and is now a freshman at Lincoln High School. Please welcome our school board president, Kate Stern.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm not even going to try to attempt to greet you all in Spanish because my son Bobby would put me to shame if I did. So just good afternoon to all of you. So thrilled to be here today to celebrate your blue ribbon status. Takes hard work from all of you kids, to your teachers, to the principals. Everybody in this school is involved in making this such a great and special place. As was mentioned, Bobby was here. He was one of the first third grade classes here. It was when the school was first built and everyone was brought together. And I've just been so proud of all the work that we've done, all the work that you have done to make this a wonderful, wonderful school for us, and we're so proud of you all. Thank you.
Falls area. During her time as superintendent, she started many programs, including our own Spanish immersion. Following her retirement from the Sioux Falls School District, she returned to Augustina and served as Executive Vice President. Please welcome Dr. Pam Holland.
Boys and girls, it is exciting to be here today, to think about your hard work and the wonderful, wonderful achievement you've made in being a Blue Ribbon School. Everyone should pat yourself on the back. You do that, congratulations. But I need to tell you something. Just as Naomi said that I like to start new ideas and new programs, your school actually started when I was in Slovakia. And it's a country that many of you may not have heard of, but it's not very far from the Ukraine. It's right next door, and I bet you've heard of Ukraine. And when I was there in a very small village, I learned that children were learning 3 and 4 languages. And when I came home, I called our team of administrators together and said, our children need to learn more than 1 language. And because of that, we have Spanish immersion today, which is really exciting. But after deciding we have a language, there's another very important piece. I remember the day I made a phone call to someone and I said, I have an opportunity for you. You know who that was? Dr. Lee. Because I knew she would be the best principal in the world to lead you and your teachers and to provide you the programs and the supports and the resources you need and help your teachers be the best so that you could achieve an award like this. So congratulations, and everyone, let's give a round of applause to Dr. Lee.
And I think Mrs. B should get a challenge point for what a great job she does leading your school. What do you think? Thank you for your great leadership of this school. challenging to do that in the city. So I was looking around the school, and I don't see anywhere where you have a Sioux Falls flag. You have a lot of flags, right here? But you don't have a flag of the city, okay? That I've seen. You have a flag of the city? I don't know. You don't know. Well, then you probably don't. So, a special flag to remember that you're a Blue Ribbon school. So this is the city of Sioux Falls flag. And you know how many schools I've given a flag to? 0. You're the first one. So let me tell you about this flag. So every flag has a meaning, right? So I'm going to ask this teacher, can you come up here and hold this for me? So here's what our flag means. So this, it kind of looks like a sun, but also the state of South Dakota has this big seal in our flag. So that shows we're in South Dakota. This kind of reminds you maybe of the falls. Sioux Falls, remember? Yeah. And the red, our city is built on a lot of quartzite, red quartzite rock. Like if you ever go to the falls and you see the rocks there, it's red quartzite rock. So this flag represents our city, and I'm going to leave it for you guys to hang it somewhere. When you look at it, remember, man, the mayor gave that to us because we're a Blue Ribbon school, and we've done such a great job, and we worked so hard to do it. So, thank you for letting me come with you today, and speaking to you, congratulations to you guys on this great accomplishment. Great job.
Smell the flowers? Blow out the candle. Work with me. Smell the flowers? Blow out the candle. One more time. Smell the flowers? Blow out the candle. We've been working on this. The centers are ready. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise for me. All Who's my next friend?
Thank you so much, Mr. Cotter. I have the privilege of introducing our superintendent of the Sioux Falls School District, Dr. Dave Sable. Has been leading our school district since 2012. She loves to visit our school and hear us using our standards. Bienvenidos, Dr. Sable.
Good afternoon, everybody. I want you to know a couple of things this afternoon as we get ready to end this special time together. First thing, we're very proud of you. And I want you to look around with your voices off at all of the grown-ups in this room, because they are here because they care about you and they care about children. And most of all, they care about learning. But here's a little fun fact for you. Hard to believe as it may be, they were all in elementary school at one time. And now they're grown-ups. And so, believe it or not, someday you're going to be a grown-up. And so while we celebrate today this very special award with a symbol of a blue ribbon, that means excellent. Someday, we're going to need somebody to be the mayor, somebody to be the superintendent, somebody to be school board members, somebody to be teachers, and somebody to be the principal. And I'll just bet you they're in this room, and we have volunteers already. So, voices off. Shh. You need to think about the future. And if you're going to be the mayor, the superintendent, the teacher, the principal, or any of the other special adults who care about kids, you need to think about your goals for the rest of this year and for when you get to middle school and high school and beyond high school to college. And you have to learn to read, to write, and to do math well, and a few other things. So, goals for the rest of the year. Practice your reading, practice your writing, and use those wonderful tools like Dreambox that help you practice, because anybody who gets a blue ribbon has practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced. And that's what you need to do as you think about the future, because someday you are going to be in a school that might be just another blue ribbon winner. So, thank you, staff, for everything that you do to make this such a special place. Thank you to our guests who have come today. Rob Munson from our South Dakota School Administrators Association is here with us. And all of the people who are going to watch this video and hear about how special Sonia Sotomayor Elementary School is. You have amazing grown-ups who care about you and who've done this work, and we're going to carry it long into the future. So give me a thumbs up. Ready to face the future and to uphold what it means to be a blue ribbon school of excellence here at Sonia Sotomayor Elementary School in Sioux Falls? All right. Good job, everybody. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Stephen. Now, for a word from our incredible administration, Dr. Reese and Mrs. Reese.
We're happy we still have her here with us. I just want to give another shout out to our dignitaries for coming here. I want to point out, Carly Ryder, you had a child in year number 2 of this program, and your work was very instrumental in getting the posse together and supporting the school and getting extra funding for our interns. How about we get a big wave from our interns that are in the room? Not just interns. room too. So I appreciate all of your efforts. Thank you so much. We also have Mrs. Becky Gorman. She is not only a parent of 2 girls in the program, but she also works extremely hard to make sure that our teachers can get the visas that they need to come and teach here and stay here. So Becky, thank you for that. Thank you so much. Thanks for paying the bills, Mom. Awesome. All right, but Jess and I just want, Mrs. Reese and I just want to give a shout out to everyone in this room that has worked so hard, because this isn't the efforts of all of us today. It's the efforts of people from years and years in the past. And so, if you are a teacher in our program, I would please love it if you would just either stand up or give a big wave if you're on the floor. Because you are amazing. Because of your dedication year after year within a collaboration, each Wednesday, working hard together to make sure that they bring you students the best, the most creative and engaging lessons. And it hasn't always been easy finding those in Spanish. So you know what they did? They created their own. And they're amazing. Our support staff too, we have several EAs that are in the room, our custodians that are over here, our amazing clerical and our nurse and our school resource officer, all of our teachers, all of the adults that come here and make this a great place for you. All right, I'm glad you made a little noise, because I think Miss Natasha has one more thing up her sleeve before we leave. Thank you everyone that has been here. And